Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruby. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, you guys, I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much for really stopping by my channel. So today I am going to do my morning routine, which I usually do, and I'm trying out a new serum today, you guys. So I am a lover of serum. I love a really nice serum. I love a really nice face oil, and I also love a really nice moisturizer. So if you want to see what I'm going to do, you guys, please keep watching. So I already cleaned my face and I just use some of this toner to tone my face. You guys, I like to do a toning before I put on like my serum or my oil or my moisturizer. So this is the toner that I'm using today. It's by Nature White Rose Water for face, skin, and hair. I don't really use this in my hair, but I'll use it on my face. They say it's herbal and organic. It purifies, anti-aging, and balancing. So you know, sometimes although you clean the makeup off your face, sometimes when you do use a toner, it helps to clean your pores, and it also helps to take off the rest of the dirt off your face. So this is what I use this morning on my face, you guys. So now I am going to use this. First I'm going to try out one of the L'Oreal serum, and this one is a L'Oreal Paris serum, you guys. So this is the dermatology tested sensitive skin, and it's Vitalist Lift. It's Vital Lift hydrating smoothing serum, anti-wrinkle, extra firming. So this is what I am going to use on my face. Now they said that it's lightweight, it anti-aging serum, it hydrates your skin, and it helps to reduce the look of wrinkle with an anti-wrinkle agent known to fight the sign of aging and a firming complexion and recognized to help you reinforce your skin. They say skin hydrating and look smoother with immediately, and they also said skin look more toner and firmer in after 4 weeks. 4 weeks, wrinkle and fine lines look less visible. And this also have alpuronic acid in it. You have glycerin, you have water, you have just a lot of ingredients in this, you guys. So I am going to try this out today on the face and see how it does look on my face. This is what it come in, and it's like a 30 ml, you guys. So this is a small one, and you know L'Oreal product are very expensive. Now I really never used this serum before, but this one I'm gonna try it out and see how it looks. So I'm just gonna shake this up, you guys, and it have the top here where you can just squeeze this product, and I'm just gonna put it on my forehead right here, because these are places that I like to work on my forehead. I like to work on it and see. So hopefully I'm gonna try this out for 4 weeks and see how it really does work. I have other serum, but I like to try new things. I'm really a lover of serum, you guys, so I'm trying this one out. Okay, so I am going to go back. They say for a product to work, you have to get everything in that product. Now, I don't have no L'Oreal cream, but I have other moisturizer here. So I'm going to use the moisturizer that I have, because I don't have like other other L'Oreal cream. So, you know, I'm going to try this one out. Just use this serum with other moisturizer. So I'm also gonna put some underneath my neck here. The most part of me that is have more wrinkle is my neck. I don't have a lot of wrinkle in my face. I don't. So my neck is the one that really carry the wrinkle. So today, you guys, I am going to go in with my Nivea Q10 Day Cream. This is it. And I am going to just use some of this. This cream is very moisturizing. So because I'm going outside, I am also going to use the Isla Olay Complete, and this one have SPF of 15. So this is what I am going to use also on the face. And this cream you don't have to use a lot. So guys, you can see I don't have a lot of dark spots. I do have some hair high pigmentation right here, and then I have a little bit underneath my eyes. But after putting on the serum, this is how my face look. So I am just gonna finish up, do my brow and put on some eyeliner, and then I'm gonna come back. So guys, this is my no makeup day. As I said, I am going outside, so I didn't want to wear any makeup today. I just want to just do my brow, put on some lip, and just do eyeliner with a little bit of mascara. Now, you know, sometimes we keep doing our face, like put on a lot of makeup, but sometimes when you try to just do a skin routine and just your brow, and I would say lashes or mascara or eyeliner, you see that sometimes you don't really need any makeup. So I really going to try out this. As I said, it's the L'Oreal Paris REVITALIFT. This is in 30 ml, and these are on the pricey side in the drugstore, but as I said, I never try one of these before. This is my first time gonna use one of these serum. I remember about, I think it was last year, I bought the small capsule, like one, which I think it was a bit runny, but these, I really going to try this one out. They say within 4 weeks you see changes, so hopefully I can see some changes in this L'Oreal serum. I really like serum, you guys, and I do serum every day. I do serum mostly at night, but I also do it in the morning. If I have to go out, I like to put on some form of serum on my face. I really love serum. I am a big fan of skincare, whether it is DIY or you bought it from the drugstore or you bought it on the high end. I am really living for skincare, especially when you use it and you see. Right now I don't have on any makeup, but I can see my skin, and my skin look really really good. As I said, I don't have a lot of wrinkles. I just have like underneath my neck here, which I am working on. As I said before, that when I lose weight in my body here, I also lose weight underneath my neck, and then my neck really intend to get really really wrinkle like. So I have to keep working on my neck. But I'm gonna try this, and I'm going to also use this on my neck also, not just my face, but I'm gonna use it on my neck, come down to here, and see if it does work within 4 weeks. I'm gonna make sure that I use it morning and the night before I go to bed. The good thing about this that it have alpuronic acid, it have water, glycerin in it. So I do advise like sunscreen. I always use a sunscreen, whether it's winter or it's summer. I try to use a sunscreen over my face so I don't get really really bad skin issue. The only time that I don't use product on my face is like moisturizer is when I go to Jamaica, because it is very hot out there. But once I am here, when I go to Jamaica, it's not like I don't bring my face my moisturizer. I do bring it, but because it is so hot out there, you have to have one fan in front of you and one behind you to get cooled down, and it's really sweaty. So whenever I go home, I walk with a towel on my shoulder, so when I started to get sweaty, I can tap my face. But here it's hot, but at the same time, this skin care work with the weather. Here in Jamaica it doesn't. So I just want to say thank you so much, and I do hope you enjoy this morning routine that I do, and God bless you, you guys, and I will see you in my next upload. Stay blessed, stay beautiful as always. Remember, show kindness to someone out there. As I said, it don't have to be money. It can just like a lending hand to somebody, like